Friends, hello everyone. We are glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly hide chats in the Instagram app while not deleting messages. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. So, let's get started. Open the Instagram app. After which you will need to switch to the professional panel first. Once you've switched to the professional account, you'll be able to hide your Instagram chats. So how do you do this? To do this, you will need to go to your Instagram page, then in the upper right corner click on the three bars, then Settings and Privacy. And already in the settings, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section called Account Types and Tools. And then you'll need to select Professional Account. Then confirm a couple of actions, and in just 30 seconds, you can switch to a professional account very quickly and easily. Once you've done that, you can go back to your correspondence or you can go back to direct. And here, in order to hide any of the chats, you'll need to swipe from the right side to the left side of that chat. And now you'll need to select this sign here. And once you've done that, the chat has been moved from your main chat to your public chat. And you can switch between your main and general chats. And if someone writes to you here, then these messages that will come to you, they will not be visible to you at once and will not interfere with you. For example, if the correspondence with this person interferes with you. Friends, this is how you can easily hide chats in Instagram without deleting messages. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and also write comments with yours. Take care.